appearing in TV as a talk show guest since some months before, and Izquierda Anticapitalista, the anti-capitalist left party, sister party of Swedish Socialistiska Partiet. Our proposal was risky because on one hand we headed to the organizations of the traditional left, but otherwise we were talking to all this network of social movements who had spent years in social fight, and in many cases they had a strong aversion to institutional politics. And we say, there is a window of opportunity in this country. The 1978 regime is in crisis. We had 4 years with more social mobilization than ever, but our forces are already a little tired. We need to change things. We have to give a good blow on the political chessboard. And the best opportunity to do that are European elections. These elections in Spain do not matter much to anyone. So people can be able to vote with their heart, without fear. And further, wherein the electoral system is not as detrimental to small forces as in national elections, which are very disproportionate. Many people thought we were crazy. He laughed at us, insulted us. You know, maybe these things also happen in the Swedish left and worldwide. I guess you remember that movie of Monty Python, The Life of Brian, with that People's Front of Judea and Judean People's Front, and the same history in everywhere. Well, we said, this is our proposal, and we want to know whether people support us. We take a month to collect 50,000 signatures to support this initiative. And guess what? We collected them in less than 24 hours. Podemos were mainly proposed as a method, also with a clear programmatic basis against austerity and supporting a real democracy, but mostly as a method. And citizenship endorsed it. Although the Podemos promoter group was mainly based in Madrid, and there was also anti-capitalist left groups elsewhere in the country, something unexpected happened. In the most unexpected places, in many small villages, Podemos groups began to emerge spontaneously. We call them circles, but they are based assemblies or whatever we want to call them. They arose spontaneously, as in the 59th movement, but now to address public institutions. It was wonderful. We were exceeded by the people, and it was just what we wanted. From the beginning, thousands of people are participating in the project, showing that there were conditions and illusion to launch a project that went beyond the official left, unable to disengage from its subordination to social liberalism trapped in the logic of lesser evil. For the European elections, we propose a method of open primary election where all citizens can participate via internet, and a collaborative program that collected the proposals on the people participating in circles and also in the internet. The result is well known. We obtained 8% of the votes, 1,250,000 votes, and 5 members on the European Parliament. It may seem a modest result, but it's impressive if we think that the movement was 4 months old and it presented a quite radical program. Beyond the elections themselves, Podemos meant a revolution in the Spanish political landscape. From May 25, there is no talk of anything else. That has many risks because we are subjected to many pressures. We have to build an organization in a very short time to respond to the desperate situations of many Spaniards who see in Podemos a way out to this situation, and to face the next election period, which is convulsed. In March, we have early elections in Andalusia, the southern region of Spain, one of the most important. In May, we have municipal and regional elections in almost all other regions. In September, we have early elections in Catalonia, with the struggle for independence in its most tense moment. In November, we will have general elections to Parliament and to elect the Prime Minister. Polls place us as the first party in direct voting intention. But polls are unreliable at a time of political earthquake like the present one. Our existence and the regime crisis has led to a rapid elite turnover in less than a year. King Juan Carlos resigned to make way for his son Philip. The leader of the social democracy resigned to make way for a younger person. Also in the United Left, the equivalent to Vänsterpartiet, there has been a generational change. And even banks, the main banker in Spain, died and left the throne to his daughter. As I said before, we are still in the process of internal construction. In October, we celebrated our founding assembly and we elected our national leadership and grassroots party documents. In December, we established our municipal councils and now we are choosing our regional councils. This process has not been without internal tensions, conflicts and problems, including some undemocratic situations. That should teach us that the illusion should not convert us into fool. These processes are very complicated. We have spent many years living under little democratic rules of capitalism, and it's not easy to break with them. But never, ever we can lose our sight of where we want to work. We have also begun to suffer the pressures for moderation of our discourse, and some sectors in Podemos are widening. Even some of our comrades have said that we must be like the Swedish social democracy. You can imagine that. That may sound very disruptive in Spain, where there has never been a true welfare state as yours, but you yourselves know perfectly that it doesn't solve anything in capitalist system. It may be a first emergency program, but we have to look beyond. We have to look towards a Europe united against neoliberalism and continue building the anti-capitalist perspectives. And also without giving up the teachings that feminism and environmentalism left for decades to us. Podemos is not a finished tool. Our future depends on how we connect with the squares, with the working resistance, being able to combine the election with the social struggle to build a real popular unit. But we have risked and have opened the field. We restart the fight. And of course, our struggle is international. Thank you very much. Syriza Podemos.